Hi guys, let's do a live trade on Great Britain US dollar. Now this is a 1 hourly chart and I'm selecting gain fan. As we discussed earlier, you need to attach the low. Wait a minute. Okay, let's reselect it. Gain box and low. Come on, what's happening? Now if you look at it, we have attached the high to the low and then we are just copying and pasting it. And it's a bit not correctly placed, so I'm correcting it. Here we go. Now we have attached the low and the high. Now how do you know this is the high? It could go further up. Now in a trend, it's always known whenever there's a first top and a second top and fall. That is, the price is rising and it makes a top, falls, makes a second high, but it's lower than the first high and falls. Then it's known that the trend is down. So if you look at it here, this is the first high and this is the second high. So it shows that the trend is down. Therefore, it shows that this is the highest peak. If it is the highest peak, then we can place the gain box from the bottom till the top. Now, we can easily see that it's falling. So from 1.3304, we can aim for 1.32. Now, this is what the normal gain box tells you. But you need to remember which market you are trading. Now, in stock market or in Forex market, there is too much manipulation. You need to keep this information in your mind. Now, as there is too much information, so you need to pick it up and understand that you need to take profits that are far easier. Now, if you look at the price rising up, the price says it stopped here, then it stopped here, then it stopped here, then it stopped here, here, and here. So the price stopped here, and on the fall, it can take a breather on these levels. Now, the basic assumption is from the fall, you can aim for this level as well. But if you're a day trader, you should not be risking your money. So you should be aiming for the least line of resistance. Either this top is 1.3257, sorry, 1.3289. This is high. Or you can aim for this level. But be vigilant in trading. Because if you won't, you will be taking far higher risk. Now, where will your risk be stopped? On this top. If it hits this, you should be going out of the trade. Now, I tell the newbies who have not earned money to place the stop loss a bit higher. But as you start to earn money, you start to see the future. Because once you have money in your pocket, you can take a bit of a higher risk. This is how the trading goes. So let me place the trade. Now, as we are short selling because we are aiming for a lower number, so we cannot buy. If the price was here, we could have bought and the price would have gone up. But from the top, we are short selling it. So on the short selling basis, we will be doing at the current price. It is 1.3304. Now, where will we buy? We will be buying above this level. So it's 1.33. 1.3254, so we should be aiming at 5.8. It's up to you. You can aim from 1.3255 to 1.3260. It's up to you. Now, where will be your stop loss on this high? Now, this high is 1.3326. 1.3328. A bit above the high. And our action stop loss is once we see the candlestick doing something extraordinary, then we can automatically trade or complete the order and complete the trade at that level, either in profit or in loss. But that's the candlestick will be telling us. So let's see how the trade goes. I'll keep on updating this lecture so that you can see how the trade went. Let me place the trade first, and I will inform if we have placed the trade at this level or a bit higher. Thank you. Hi guys, we have placed the order, and fortunately we have placed it at a higher rate. Now the price is falling. Now if you look closely, we are currently aiming at it's about 46 pip profit. Now in a day trading, it's known that you should never be aiming for such a high level of profit. Now as we discussed earlier, this high of 1.3289 is also brilliant. That gives you a good profit. So we should be seeing this level as an important level. Even this level of 1.3273 is important. So we will be keeping an eye on the trade and seeing what it what it does, so that we can square it off in profit. That's the number one rule, to square it off in profit. We won't be afraid to square it off in loss, but we should be aiming for profit. So now let's see how the trade goes, and I will update this lecture accordingly. Thank you. As you can see, hi guys, as you can see, I've marked this blue line which represents this close and this open, these two candles. And the price touched it and came back up. Now it's again going down, but this doesn't look good. Therefore, we will be squaring the trade right here somewhere at 1.3281, which will give us about 23 pip in profit. So let me square the trade, and as you can see, our trade is completed. So you need to keep an eye on your trade and make the decision accordingly, because if you won't, the trade can at any time